Yo! Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. The rotary swap for the S2000. I'm just not gonna do it. Nope. Not today, not tomorrow, not the next day. Just not gonna do it. I just don't want to. I'm gonna put that in something else, not the S2000. Sorry if y'all were hyped for that. But instead, we're gonna put a K24 in there. So I got a K24 A2 that I'll show y'all. I got that. Now that I've destroyed my oil pan, let's get started. It's a bit heavier than a rotary. And should be pretty quick because they make a swap kit for it. We're gonna throw some boost at it because you already know what time it is. You know I get a little boost happy, and hopefully the engine doesn't exit the chat. Maybe some go fast juice. Maybe not, because it'll definitely exit the chat. It'll definitely exit the chat if I do that. And then I'm gonna show you all the progress we made on the S2000. So let's hop into that. So I'm like, okay, that made me happy. Because I actually didn't know how this went back on, but all right, that's that. And then I reached over here and found this, and I didn't think I had that at all. So we outside on that, but yeah, it's a lot more habitable in here, you know? You know what I'm saying? Like it looks good. And then I found these bolts in my mystery box of bolts. Mystery box. So these little bolts are low-key hard to get on. So I got them on, right? And I had this up, and I was like, bet, say less. So I went to put the cluster surround on and noticed that it wouldn't go on unless this was down. So that's an L. So now I got to take these back off just to put that on. So let's get it. All right, now that the cluster surround is on, now you can put those two bolts back on here. You feel? So now you can do this number. I can't even do it. There you go. Like, you know, now you can do that. God. Difficult. Hey, but look like a car again. Yes, sir. All right, radio door goes in pretty easy. Literally just pushes in that little section right there. So, yeet. We outside with that. Bet. Now, one thing I can't find is the top piece to go to that. I know this goes here, and then there's one that goes on top, but I can't find that, so we'll see. All right, I didn't remember at all how to put these rear plastics back in, but so this one's got broken tabs. But yeah, you see that's supposed to sit right there, like that, and then there's a little push pin that goes in, piece that goes in the middle, right there. This, and then there's like a shelf piece that goes back here, across the middle. So I'm gonna put that in, and all right, so that was kind of a pain, but it's in. Bet. And then there's one little piece to go up top right there, and we inside, outside, inside on the top thing. Yeah. So I was like, yeah, I'll go ahead and pull this door off one time. So I was like, let me go ahead and get the wiring out, and yikes. Yikes.com, you feel? All right, so gotta do something about that. The other thing I really didn't want to see is metal shavings. All right. And since the wiring was cut, this took all of 3 seconds. Doors off. Yeet. I mean, no door is kind of sick, right? Let's just leave it. Let's just leave it like this. I mean, I'm with it. So this is the door I'm replacing it with, and some of the things I'm happy about is, first off, bang, outside with that. Like, it's gonna function. I do got like a whole bird's nest worth of pine and stuff in there. It doesn't have a window in there, but I have a window in the other one. So I'll take the window out of that one and put it on this one. And the door handle is also broken on this one. So but there's no dents and stuff. And I have a door handle on the silver one, that's fine. So I'll replace the door handle and I'll be good. So I was sitting here like, dang, how am I gonna get the wire in? Look at that right there, bro. That's a W right there. Oh good, see it was cut right there. Wait, I don't think it's supposed to come through here. And with very minimal effort. So the way I decided to attack this is to put the door on, then kind of line these bolts up as best as I can. You know, I'll have to, lift it a little bit, a lot of it. Oh, that needs to go in. And then get the bolts in, but like I said, I'm gonna have to replace this because this is broken. So, all right, be right back. Let's see. Houston, we got a problem. Now the latch is stuck. I needed to slide this piece in first, but now it's stuck, so yippee me. Bro, sometimes you gotta be smarter than the car. Interior handle does work. So yeah, I need to take the stuff off this door and put it on this door. Like this little joint is seized up on this door. So I'm about to take that off, take the speaker off. Everything else I might leave for now until I figure out something else isn't working. Alright, speaker's off. Now I can get in now. Get in now. Yeah. Hey y'all, check this out. Let's go. Yep, the outside. At least the passenger side has all four. Yeah, it looks like the passenger side took some impact because that's where all the glass is. It's in the bottom of the door. That's why I can't find it. Yep, there it is. Alright, but this door is off too, so it's lit. So the door I bought doesn't have the window or the regulator. So I'm pulling the window and the regulator out of this door to put in the yellow door that's on the car. So I put a headlight in to start mocking this up, but so now I see this needs to be pulled up. That bolt needs to come out because it threads into the headlight housing. So let's try that and see if it'll go on. But I don't know, So those headlights aren't going to stay on. I'm going to open them up and do something custom to them. So mock up, done. Yo, we back. I appreciate y'all for watching the video. You see both doors changed out on the S. What's left? Just the windshield, the top windshield piece that's bent. I already got that though, so that should be quick. Then I gotta get a new windshield put in and the driver's side quarter panel, which I'm gonna swap out. So then that car's gonna be done, you know what I'm saying? Then we drop that K24 in, and this time off for boost, we're gonna make big power. We're gonna try to at least stop block, see what happens. I have never owned or done a K-Series before, so it's gonna be new to me. So we're all just gonna be out here together. I'm sure a lot of y'all have, so if I'm doing something stupid, just let me know. But it seems proven. Everybody on the forums talking about do a K-Series, and I'm like, all right. I mean, I might find out the K-Series is the GOAT. I'm not gonna put a K-Series in this car, just not going to, because braps. But I might put them in a bunch of other things. You feel me? Let's see how it goes. But I got another one coming soon. You see, I'm out here. I'm consistent with it. I'm being consistent with it. You feel me? All right, yeah, that's all I got. All right, appreciate y'all. Peace out. Let's go. The car's aired out right now, so it's gonna take me 10 years to get out. I don't even know why I got in. Honestly, it's a bad idea. It was actually a poor life choice. I don't know what I was thinking. See y'all next time. Ground chief, in case you thought I was capping, I can't. Yeah, no, I don't even know how I got up. All right, yeah, I'm out. It's lit.